Hey guys, Crypto Sky here, back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at NEO, which in my opinion is the best altcoin to invest in for 2018. As always, this is not financial advice. Please do your own research, and obviously I'm not a professional. Let's get into the video. So what is NEO? It began as Ant Shares and was then rebranded to NEO in June of 2017. NEO is China's first blockchain platform, and it is known as the Chinese Ethereum. It was developed by Da Hongfei and Eric Zhang. It is a smart economy platform, and what this means is it basically piggybacks off the actual blockchain technology and idea, in that no one person has control over all digital assets. It allows users to automate the exchange of digital assets while still having proof of ownership. So in an overview, it is the use of blockchain technology and digital identity to digitize assets. So what's special about NEO? The first big point I want to bring up is it's based in Shanghai, China. And this is huge because the market is really developing over there. There's a reason why Alibaba is catching up to Amazon on the actual stock market. China's economy is huge, and it doesn't play by the US's rules, it plays by its own rules. And it's the same way with the actual crypto market. It's huge. I mean, it's booming right now, and obviously there are a lot of news about regulations, but China's not dumb. Their government's not dumb. They're not going to regulate so harshly that they completely take out crypto or blockchain technology when that sector has an ability to make them a lot of money and really grow their economy and really grow their country. So basically what I'm saying is it has a huge market cap, it has a huge market availability, and it's really in the right spot. And another big reason is it's actually founded and being developed to stay compliant with China's regulations on crypto. And this is huge because, like I previously said, China's cracking down on ICOs, they're dropping regulations, but NEO has recently worked with the actual Chinese government, and they are actually developing their technology to stay compliant with China's regulations. So this is huge. It's a platform for dApps, ICOs, and smart contracts, which is very similar to ETH, Ethereum. It's also designed for the future of the smart economy, and this means it's being developed and being planned to be useful in the future, not just right now. It obviously has a lot of use right now, developing ICOs, using smart contracts, but this is going to be huge in the future when the smart economy, which is what we talked about earlier, becomes a bigger part of the actual economy in China and in the world. So it's also designed to be compatible with multiple programming languages. This is something that's very difficult in blockchain. The programming languages are difficult to test and to find the bugs. There are not a lot of tools to find the bugs in the actual programming. But NEO is actually specifically designed to be compatible with the more popular programming languages so that they can find the bugs and fix the bugs. It's also the use of smart contracts for digital assets to be self-managed and to achieve the smart economy with a distributed network, which means it's decentralized. One person doesn't have the control, which is exactly what blockchain, the whole idea is. So reasons to invest in NEO. It's based in China. Huge market cap, huge market availability, just like we talked about. I think it's going to have a huge year, and the regulations can honestly help NEO, because if China really starts to regulate ICOs, they may only have one platform where they feel comfortable with these ICOs being developed, and obviously the front runner right now is definitely NEO, and the plan would be to use NEO as that platform. Obviously, like I said, it's very compliant with the government regulations. It's specifically designed to stay compliant with them. Also, the use of smart contracts. The actual smart contracts are programmed, in developed friendly languages, which is like we talked about. They can find the bugs, fix the bugs. Also, another huge reason is the actual price of NEO right now. If you take a look at the market cap and base it to what Ethereum's market cap is, and then take a look at the shares, NEO is extremely undervalued right now. And the last reason is you receive dividends, gas, coins that are actually used to fuel the smart contracts on the actual NEO platform. So let's take a look at coinmarketcap.com real quick, and let's take a look at where NEO is right now. Obviously NEO is in the number 7 spot, but what I really want you guys to take a look at is look at the market cap right here and look at the circulating supply for NEO. And then I want you to compare that to Ethereum, which is obviously, it's being dubbed the Chinese version of Ethereum. Very similar technology, very similar mission. So look at the market cap for Ethereum. Look how much larger it is than NEO. I mean, it's huge. It's over 70,000. I mean, it's around 78,000 more. And then look at the shares. Again, Ethereum has more circulating supply, over 30 million more shares of Ethereum are circulating than NEO. So this is a huge price for the factor. So let's just take a look at NEO. We'll pull up a calculator real quick. So let's do some just kind of price guesstimations if you want to. How about that? So what are my opinions on what the actual price will be? So let's say that NEO, oh, it just recently moved to the number 8 spot. Okay. Well, anyway. Let's take a look at if the market cap, which is now a little under 8 billion, if it went up to 23 billion, which is what, a little over 23 billion, which is what Bitcoin Cash is right now. And Bitcoin Cash is not a huge cryptocurrency as far as what people are talking about. It got listed on Coinbase, which is huge, which is obviously very big, but it's not like Bitcoin where the market cap is just absolutely crazy. So let's take a look. Say it grows to a little over 20 billion in market cap, and let's divide that by 65 million, which is the number of circulating shares, and let's see what we get. So we get a little over $360. So this would be the price of NEO if the market cap goes up to Bitcoin Cash's current market cap. And this is obviously very, very, very doable this year. It's honestly doable by this summer, in my opinion. So let's take it even step farther. Say you're a huge, huge fan of NEO, and you really believe in the tech. You really believe in what they're going to do this year. And let's say they get the market cap up to almost 90 billion, Ethereum's current market cap. So then we're going to again divide by the circulating supply, and if you guys don't know, that's how you get the price of these coins, is divide the market cap by the circulating supply. So let's do that real quick, and let's see what the price would be. Over $1,300, guys. I mean, that's huge. I mean, this could obviously be a four-figure coin by the end of the year. I mean, I think it's very likely that it'll be around this range by the end of the year. I'm very hopeful, and I believe it will be. I believe in the tech long term, and I believe in their mission, and I believe in the market, obviously, in China. I think that's huge. I mean, I really, really think that is a huge market, and they are the kingpin in that market, so I think that's huge. And if you guys want to check out their actual website, it's in Chinese. You can do a quick Google Translate to translate it to English, which is very easy. And it just gives you a rundown of their technology. You can obviously follow them on Twitter, Facebook, join their Discord, join the GitHub, follow the GitHub, join the Reddit, do all that. And I think you guys should do that and be familiar with what's going on. But the last thing I want to talk about is this NEO client right here. You can actually download this software, and you can store it. You can obviously download a NEO wallet right here, Neon Wallet. And you can put your shares of NEO into this, and actually this is where you claim your dividends. You claim your shares of gas. So you can put your shares of NEO, and unfortunately they are not dividable, so you have to put 1 share, 2 share, 100 shares. You can't put 1.5 shares. You have to keep it to where it's non-dividable. But it will, the more NEO you have, the more gas you will actually earn. And if we want to take a quick look at gas, right here, it's a little over $40. Yeah, obviously there it is, $43. So you're earning gas, which is, and the price of gas is obviously probably going to follow NEO. As far as if NEO goes up, way up, gas will probably go up. Obviously it won't be $1,000, maybe looking at the 70 range to 100 range, you know, who knows. But you're earning dividends, which means you're getting free money sent to you. So I mean, obviously that's another huge benefit of actually owning NEO. And here's the white paper in English. You can read it, and I definitely encourage you guys to do that. I have read over the white paper. And another thing, here's a look at my Twitter, guys. If you do not follow me on Twitter, please make sure to follow me on Twitter. I will be posting when I upload my videos, and I normally post, you know, some of my trades and retweet anything that's really helpful that I see. But I want to take a look at this tweet right here. And this is saying that NEP5 tokens are going to be added to Binance. And obviously it's the second type of smart contract smart contract asset to be adopted by Binance. And the first one is obviously Ethereum. So this means the price of NEO should go way up, and it means the introduction of NEO trading pairs, which will only help NEO grow larger and larger. So this is a huge announcement by the owner and founder of Binance. That's just another reason why I think this coin is going to have a huge year, guys. I'm really excited. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to give the video a like. Make sure to comment, and please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out. And wish you guys the best of luck in your investing. Hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.